crying loud. All the way across town, she's been searching for that someone, and it's me out on the crowd. As you sit around feeling sorry for yourself, well, don't get lonely now, and try your white eyes. I'm just rolling for the moment, sneezing my back just to touch it. So uptight you've been thinking about ditching me. No time that sends the world around, 'cause you know where I'll be found when I come around. I heard it all before, so don't knock down my door. I'm a loser and the user, so it's only no accuser to try and slag me down because I